Alarming news: cancer rates in Australians under 50 are skyrocketing. Scientists are baffled by the sharp increase in various cancers among younger generations. We're talking a 500 rise in some cases since 2000. Experts suspect environmental factors, like exposure to toxins and changes in our gut microbiome, may be playing a major role. Childhood obesity is also a significant concern. Researchers are working hard to understand this concerning trend, but early prevention strategies are crucial. Subscribe for more updates on this critical health issue. 10% tariffs? Trump's threatening BRICS. China's firing back, saying BRICS isn't about confrontation. It's about cooperation between developing nations. They're calling out the negative impact of trade wars and protectionism. This comes after a recent trade deal between the US and China, which could now be in jeopardy. The BRICS summit itself saw some notable absences, with Xi Jinping and Putin not attending in person. The group expressed concern over rising tariffs, highlighting the potential disruption to global trade. What's your take on this escalating trade tension? Subscribe for more updates. 10% tariffs incoming. Donald Trump's threatening to slap a hefty tax on any country siding with the BRICS nations, including Russia. This move could seriously impact the global economy, especially countries like China and India who trade heavily with the US. Experts say while it might not directly cripple Russia, a global economic slowdown could indirectly hit them hard. Trump's claiming it's a response to BRICS criticism of his policies. What's your take on this bold move? Subscribe for more updates. A deadly cafe strike in Gaza has sparked international outrage. Israeli forces claim they targeted a Hamas commander, but dozens of civilians, including women and children, were killed. The attack on a popular Gaza City cafe has raised serious questions about the proportionality of the strike and the IDF's efforts to minimize civilian casualties. Hospitals are overwhelmed with the injured, and the death toll continues to rise. Meanwhile, indirect ceasefire talks are underway in Qatar, as pressure mounts on both Israel and Hamas to reach a deal. Subscribe for more updates on this developing story.